Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn off push notifications on Pinterest. Maybe you are tired of receiving constant push notifications from Pinterest and you wanted to take a break. So today I am going to show you how to turn off push notifications on Pinterest. Check page description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to our profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select the settings option. On this window, tap on this notifications option. In this page, select this by push notification. Within this section, you will see different types of push notifications that Pinterest sends. Since you wanted to turn off all of the push notifications, you simply need to tap on this Turn Off All button. A menu will appear below, and here, tap on this Turn Off All button again. After that, you now have successfully turned off push notifications on Pinterest. You can now enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience without constant interruptions. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off push notifications on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn off push notifications on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.